Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now we have a Transporter 2.5 TDI on the ramp. The vehicle comes with low oil pressure. So we took the sump off. Unfortunately we did find some metal chunks. So we will strip the engine now because piston number 5 is cracked. So the engine needs to come out and we have to diagnose what's going on. So yeah, let's do the job. So this is the oil sump from the engine, and this is what we found. So I have no idea how it happened, what happened inside, but there is a piece of dipstick over here. And yeah, the only way to find out, we have to take the engine out. So there's our problem, piston number 5. As you can see, it's missing a bit on the edge. So yeah, unfortunately we can't do nothing on the car. So yeah, subframe off, and we're just gonna drop the whole gearbox down with the engine, and we'll see when we're gonna open up the cylinder head what's going on. Okay, so we will need for the job probably one toolbox, second toolbox, and 4 hours. So and me, challenge accepted. The challenge has been accepted. There was a bit of a problem with the CV boot over here, and yeah, we're gonna take the whole subframe off now, and then just release 2 engine mounts on each side, and the engine will come out. So the subframe is down now, finally, there you go. And yeah, we have a bit of excessive leaks here and there, as you can see. So yeah, probably what we're gonna do next, take the exhaust out, disconnect all the coolant pipes, fuel pipes, hydraulics. So yeah, let's put the car down now and then start disconnecting the stuff from the top. this is what's left from the engine. We strip it fully down. We're gonna drop the stuff to the machine shop now. The crankshaft, we're gonna have to take it for polishing because we have some grooves and stuff from the bits what the oil pump pushed in. So the crank gotta be done. And this is the main problem, the main reason. This is the piston. You can see all the bits missing. So yeah. So this was probably the main reason why everything failed and why there were metal chunks inside. The water pump is completely gone, and it was rubbing the block and everything just fell down into the sump. So loads of fun happened, small things, big damage. So because the engine have low oil pressure, you can see the state of the hydraulic lifters, and they were in the car for like 1500 miles. The camshaft's knackered as well. You can see it right here. So yeah, we're gonna need camshaft kit, one piston, do loads of machining here, cleaning, new bottom end bearings. Okay, so we finally have all the stuff back from the machine shop. The cylinder head's fully done, the valves are fully brushed in. We also have exhaust guides replaced, so the head's fully done. The crankshaft, managed to polish it, so I think that looks really good as a result. Can't really complain. The block, yeah, you can see the damage from the previous what actually happened, and that's broken as well. So we're gonna get all 5 of them. I'm still waiting for those. They should be coming tomorrow. New head gasket, head bolts, that's the new piston what was cracked, but all the bottom end piston rings, new oil pump as well. So yeah, the block's fully done as well. Roy put the new iron sleeves in, so all 5 of them are done now. So hopefully the engine will last much longer now. New turbo as well. The camshaft was worn out, so we're going to replace the camshaft, all rods on the bolts and stuff. So yeah, I have to start cleaning everything up, the rockers and the pipes and intake and whatever's there, clean it all out, and we're gonna get the engine ready for assembly, all the stuff on. Okay, so situation update. Clean everything. Clean the piston as much as I could. Clean the rods. We've got new piston rings ready to be assembled. We've got these oil feeds for the block. They finally arrived from TPS. So the block's pretty much clean. We still have to remove the one which was broken. Rest of them are out. So that'll be the first thing what will go in. After the pistons and the rods are put it back together, I'm gonna put the crankshaft in, which is here. That's all ready as well. So yeah, we need assembly loop, and we're gonna start putting these back together, and hopefully by today the bare engine will be done with the cylinder head and everything, so it will be timed up. So yeah, let's continue with this. Okay, so this is the progress of I managed to time the engine up. I done the bottom end, so that's all done to the torque setting. Also the cylinder head. I put all the timing tools on. You can see the one on the camshaft, the one on the crank. New camshaft installed, and all it's left. I have to tight all the bolts for the gears to the torque spec, and I'm gonna put the injectors in and start putting all the stuff around the engine. So the oil pump's still missing from the bottom, so yeah, plenty to do. Probably today it will be all done as a bare engine. Okay, so the bare engine is back together with the gearbox, and the last stage will be put it back in the car. So yeah, we're gonna drop the subframe now because we had the car outside for a while, so we have to move it, and still have to clean the subframe and everything wherever the oil leaks and stuff. And then this clean beauty can come in, and we're gonna try to start it. finally done. Yeah, we have the car for a couple of months, to be honest, but anyways, thanks for Matt to be patient with us. Hello, Matt. And the car's finally done. We've done like over 100 miles with the car, no issues, which is very good. So we've done oil change as well, and yeah, hopefully enjoy the video, and see you next time.